Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will give you a complete beginner walkthrough of Shopify in 2025. So whether you are launching your first online store or just exploring, I will break it down step by step so it's easy to follow. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Over here, you need to click on the option of get started for free. You need to basically create your free account here. You can also pick a plan, but Shopify often gives you free trials so you can test the platform before committing to it. Now, this is going to be your dashboard. By default, you will be here on the home page of your Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do here is to simply select your theme. After selecting your theme, you need to start customizing it. Here you need to add your brand logo, you need to add the name of your store, then your branding related colors. Shopify also guides you with a clean sidebar where you can basically manage everything from the products to the orders. So once you have set it up, now is the time for you to add the product listings. For that, you can click on the option of products, then click on the option of add products. Over here, you need to give your product name, then provide the description, set the price, and manage inventory. Make sure that your titles and the descriptions are clear because this helps both customer and for SEO. Now, once you have your product available on your Shopify store, again, you can just take a look at the themes option and change the theme if you want. You can add more customization options like the header and the footer. So once you have set it up, you need to go to the settings of your Shopify store. Over here in your Shopify store settings, you need to go to the payments section. Over here, you need to connect the payment options like credit card, PayPal, or ShopPay. Then configure shipping zones, the delivery rates, or local pickup depending on your business. Once your product, your theme, and your settings are ready on Shopify, you can upgrade from the trial, remove any kind of password page, and your store goes live for the world to see it. You can promote your store on social media to get the leads. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.